How to use Polygon MATIC wallet for Ethereum. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use Polygon MATIC wallet for Ethereum. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will log into your metamask.io and you will land right here within your account. I have already created an account on MetaMask. This is my wallet. We know that MetaMask is by default an Ethereum wallet, and Ethereum sometimes has a lot of gas fee, and sometimes we're using Ethereum. It's not that convenient, and we're looking for some lightweight blockchain, and we're looking for Polygon network, a Matic network to use with our MetaMask wallet. And it is possible. I'll show you how to add a Polygon network on your MetaMask so that you no longer have to pay heavy gas fee for Ethereum. You can use a gas-free experience with Polygon. Let's get into the process. Is very easy. First of all, once you get to your MetaMask, this is your default wallet. You will get your networks here. You have to click on add network. It will allow you to add a new network to your MetaMask wallet, and today we will be adding a Matic network, which is Polygon. First of all, we have to enter a network name. So we are looking to add Matic. Then we have to enter a RPC URL. Now, where to find this RPC URL? For that, you can go to polygon.technology/metamask settings, or you can just go to your Google and search for Polygon MetaMask. Click on the first link, and this is where you will get. It will allow you to add Polygon network to your MetaMask. It will actually give you the information we need. So it's actually really easy. You can actually find this information on a lot of other articles too. So you need to scroll down on this platform, on this website, and here you will find your RPC URL. You can see right here the URL for Polygon. All you need to do is, it's going to be simple copy and paste. Copy the link from here, get back to your MetaMask and paste it in RPC URL section, and now you have your RPC URL for Polygon. Again, all you need to do is just go to Google and search for Polygon MetaMask, and you will click on the first link, get to this website, get your link. Moving on, we have our chain ID. So the chain ID for Polygon is 137. Currency symbol is going to be Matic. And then we have a block explorer URL. Okay, so I'm just going to add a capital here, Matic. Okay, so we have our block explorer URL. This is optional. If you want to leave this option, you can completely leave it blank. It's okay. You will be able to add a new network. But if you want to add a block explorer, then again, the link is available. And you're just going to copy the link from here, the block explorer one, and paste it on your MetaMask wallet. Once you have added all the information, you can see, click on save. Feel free to pause the video and enter all the information you need, and you will be able to add the network. Now I'm just going to click on save, and there you go. We have a Polygon network on our MetaMask. Now I will be able to buy assets with Matic. I will be able to use Polygon on Ethereum to buy, send, and swap my tokens without the gas fee. First of all, let's actually click on these three dots and check our account in the Explorer. Here you will be able to see your transactions, ERC20 tokens, comments, everything, and it is changed according to your network that you have selected on your MetaMask. Once you have added the network right here on your MetaMask, you can see we have Matic. I will be able to see my assets and the activity, transaction activity right here. Then we also have our portfolio site. Here you can see we can buy, send, and swap with Polygon. Click on the buy option. For Polygon, we have 4 options available. First one is Transact, buy Matic with Transact supports credit and debit card as well, so you will be able to buy Polygon. Then we have Buy Matic with MoonPay. Again, it supports your Visa cards, MasterCards, Apple, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, and you will be able to buy Matic. Then we have Wire. Buy Matic with Wire. Easy onboarding for purchases. So if you have a Wire account, you can continue with this. And then we have Directly Deposit Matic. This simply means that we will be able to deposit Matic from another crypto account, from another wallet. So these are the 4 ways you can buy Matic on Ethereum. Moving on, we have the send option. Click on send, and this is actually really easy. You can send Matic now to any wallet address. Just enter the address right here, continue, and confirm the transaction. You will be able to send the Matic. Then we have swap. Now this is really important. If you want to swap Matic on Ethereum DeFi and you actually want to swap different tokens from Matic to maybe USDT, to DAI, Doji, whatever token you're looking for. I'm going to select Matic here, that I will be swapping from Matic to. Then we're going to select the token. You can see we have USDT, BUSD, Link, AVI, Sand, Mana, then we have Phantom, and many others. So I want to actually swap to USDT. You will enter the amount here. For example, we have 12 Matic or maybe 100. So of course the price of Matic is very low than the original Ethereum. Ethereum is like $1,300 at the time of making this video. So 100 Matic is actually making $88. So that means the 1 Matic is equal to $0.88. Again, the prices are at the time of making this video. We can also swap from another wallet to our Matic. For example, I want to actually change my AVI to my Matic. So we can do that really easily. Then we have advanced option, which will actually show you the slippage tolerance, and you will notice there is no gas fee here. The slippage tolerance is 2%, 3% custom. Click on review swap, transaction will be confirmed, and you will be able to swap tokens. When it comes to the network that you have added, the Polygon network, using it on Ethereum with MetaMask, we can of course remove the network as well. You can switch to Ethereum, and then what you can do is you can just click on this cancel and it will be deleted. Now, why we add Polygon to our MetaMask? Well, Polygon will allow me to actually buy NFTs without the gas fee, and I will be able to buy different assets with my Polygon using my MetaMask. I don't need to create another wallet, to create another address for it. You have your MetaMask wallet and you add Polygon on your MetaMask, and there you go, you have your Matic network. Similarly, we have different advanced settings. So I have Matic right here. I'm going to take you to the settings. In settings, we have general, and you can see the primary currency right now is Matic. We have our languages, everything. Click on advanced and it will show you the advanced option for the gas control. This is for overall MetaMask. Show hex data, we have show conversations, auto log, backup, and everything. Then we have contacts, where I will be able to create a contact list and send Matic. Click on add contact, enter their username, Ethereum public address, and you will be able to send them Matic. If you want to, again, go to the networks right here and you will be able to see your main networks. We have Matic, and check out all the information that you added. We also have some test networks available. If you want to add another network, just click on add network and you will be able to do so. Again, if you want to add Polygon on your MetaMask, you can just open up your wallet, and then you need to go to polygon.technology. You can see wiki.polygon.technology. You will get all the information and you will be able to add Polygon on your MetaMask and use it on Ethereum. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.